Hi, my name is Matt, and I'm going to show you how to add a product, or several even, onto your WordPress site. First thing you need to do is make sure, in our scenario, that you have XAMPP open. You're going to create a child theme, which is what this is. I've already done that, so I don't need to keep that up. Then I'm going to go to our WordPress site. I'm going to make sure that I am actually going to edit the right thing. So I'm going to double check my theme. And storefront is active. Next thing I'm going to do is go on the left to WooCommerce. You can do it that way, or you can just go directly to products. Right here. Add new. Alright, here's the name of our product. We're going to sell some pretzels. We're going to say a little bit about the item. Add media, so we can see a picture of our product. So we're going to set the product image as the same pretzel. I'm going to add a picture also in the short description. Now I can set a price. These are really good pretzels. Normally they're $500, but we're going to give them a discount. They're on sale right now, $5 a pretzel. At this point, I like to save it. Then I can publish. Once that's done, I like to view it at the themes page. Go to my customizer. And if I go to shop, you can see where you've added that product. Pretzel, on sale, $5. I can add to cart. I can open it up. There you go.